Cop held in Portmore with taxis stolen at gunpoint in St. Andrew earlier. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF has confirmed that a swift action and coordinated response by members of the St. Andrew South and St. Catherine South Police Division led to the successful recovery of a stolen motor vehicle and the apprehension of a suspect, a serving member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Reports are that on Saturday, May 24th at approximately 11:10 p.m., the police received reports of a robbery with aggravation along Coleyville Avenue in St. Andrew. The complainant, a 19-year-old in-drive taxi operator, reported that he had been robbed at gunpoint by an individual who entered his vehicle and forcibly took control of the unit while it was in motion. The taxi driver managed to escape unharmed and quickly alerted authorities. Acting on the report, the Police Emergency Communications Center triggered a rapid cross-divisional operational response, and the stolen vehicle was electronically tracked to a location in St. Catherine. Through a coordinated effort between the St. Andrew South and St. Catherine South police personnel, the vehicle was intercepted and recovered along Dyke Road in the vicinity of Jamaican Entertainment Center in Portmore, St. Catherine. During the operation, the police held an individual who was inside the vehicle, who was later identified as a detective corporal of police. He was taken into custody on the scene. A search of the suspect yielded a Glock 17 9mm service pistol, 2 magazines and 34 rounds of ammunition, all government-issued property of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The law enforcer was also in possession of a police identification card. The vehicle was transported to the Greater Portmore Police Station, where it was processed by members of the Scenes of Crime Unit and several potential forensic exhibits collected. The policeman was taken into custody pending further investigation, which is being led by the Criminal Investigation Branch. In its release on the matter, the Jamaica Constabulary Force said it remained committed to upholding the rule of law without fear or favor. We commend the professionalism and urgency demonstrated by the teams involved in the operation, whose coordinated response ensured a quick resolution and preserved public safety. The release further said that members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force are entrusted with extraordinary powers, specialized training, and state resources, and as such they bear an even greater duty to uphold the law with integrity and accountability. The High Command of the Jamaica Constabulary Force said that it condemns in the strongest possible terms any form of criminal conduct, particularly when it perpetrated by those who sworn to uphold the law. We will neither tolerate nor conceal wrongdoing in any quarters of the force. Any member who entertain criminal inclination will find no refuge within the ranks. They will be relentlessly investigated and made to face the full force of the law. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.